Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Craftin' Monkey here, and I'm back with some more Shadow Fight 2. And as you can see now, after I stopped the video last time, I went and got the level 13 weapons and armor. So there's the steel helm, upgraded 3 times, Centurion mail, and stilettos. The stilettos are like the size. So as you can see, my experience bar, it's almost 40. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully level myself up by beating Pickpocket. And he's using stilettos as well. I'm not really skilled with the size. I think they're my worst weapon. Well, I'm not bad with them. Ooh, that's gonna hit hard. So yes, I did beat the first 3 stages of the tournament. I meant to record them, but I don't know. The recording has failed, so here I am, hoping this recording will work. Yeah. Now I can finally showcase level 14 on Shadow Fight 2. And like I said, this is like a walkthrough, so no skipping parts except for like tournaments and challenges and stuff that I think aren't of importance. And he got me hard there. Anything. That's right. Sorry for the silence there. It's just, I had to beat him. See? And now, level 14. Not bad. You reach a new level. Your skills have increased. Here at level 14, you're going to learn kickflip, which is practically just this. That, where I got hit also. So here we are. I heard some rumors about your strength. I kinda can't get the fireball, so I'll get by the mantis helm, the sturdy barbarian armor, and Jesus, these things go for a lot. Also the hunter's knives. So yeah, I have all 4 of them, and now I'm gonna go look around. Oh, I can fight her. Okay, I'll do that. Fight me, yeah. So she's using the samurai sword. I'm not sure if after the main story, before the interlude, after the interlude you can fight them again. Because I'm pretty sure no one has like, videos of hidden fights like her and or Trickster. Or other people. Like there's one person in each area. I'm pretty sure I'm fighting the hidden boss in this area right now. But like in the first chapter, there was Trickster. and he would give you nunchucks. And in the second chapter, I don't remember, so. But I guess it's okay. I'm gonna beat her here anyways, hopefully. Because I like the staff. When they're on the ground trying to double sweep, you just move away and swing it. Boom. There we go, I win. Okay, I have a katana. I've never tried this weapon out before, so I'm gonna try it out in combat. So, okay. So the bodyguard of Butcher, easy. Tournament stage, easy. I'll do the bodyguard first. So he has quite a lot of bodyguards, and this is his first bodyguard, Bird, who uses the knives. Great, birds who use knives. I've never used this weapon before, so I don't know. Oh yeah, actually, it's gonna be sad if I lose. Ugh. How? I only have 2 of those. Don't give me your shiz. Ha, I win, sucker. Oh my gosh. She's a good comboist, that's all I'm gonna say. So I have to watch myself. I'm losing time also, so. I have enough of your poop. Okay, there we go. I beat Bird. First bodyguard. Okay, guys, that'll be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This also included Hidden Boss and the first bodyguard of Butcher. I'm really excited about this episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button and subscribe to the Crafted Monkey, which is me. So subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below on how I can improve my skills. Thank you for watching.